Welcome to this course of our Python for penetration testers. In today's module, we are going to discuss about classes and objects. So, as we know, Python is an object-oriented programming language, right? So that actually means that almost all the code that is implemented is used using special construct called classes, right? So why do we use classes? What is the use of classes? Why programmer use classes? So to simply put, classes are used to keep related things together. And how we do it? We do it using a keyword called class, right? Okay, so we'll see a demo how we can do this, right? So let's go into let's make a file first. So let's say vim class.py. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. Oh, sorry, I already have something. So let me define a new class test.py. Alright, so we have a new notebook. Fine. So as always, first we're going to get path user bin env space python. Right now, as I said, in order to define a class, we are going to use a keyword called class. Let's type class, right, and then name of the class. It can be anything. So let's say class calculate, right? Now inside a class, we are going to define methods, right? Similar type of methods. And to define a method, we use def, right? To define a function, we use def. So like this. So let's define a function. First of all, let's define the first thing in Python about, there is a very interesting thing in Python is that init, which means initialization, right? So very first thing we'll do is diff underscore underscore init self comma, let's say ina. Let me self is a, I will explain it, don't worry about this. Okay, very first thing, the self argument, what it is doing over here. Self argument is a keyword in Python which is used to all the instances in a class, right? This means by using the self keyword, one can easily access all the instances defined within a class, as well as methods and attributes, right? And init is one of the reserved methods in Python. Okay, and it is, since Python is an object-oriented programming, it is known as a constructor. Okay, fine. And the very first replica will be one thing. Sorry, typos like this, and self dot a equals to ina, and self dot b equals to inb. Fine. Let's define another method. So a basic functionality of a calculate will be addition. Define addition, right? And we'll have the argument self, right? And then we'll return as self dot a plus self dot b. Fine. Now let's define another method function. Sorry. Um, let's say multiply, right? So there is a typo if you see here. let's give it self, and it will return us self dot a star self dot b. Fine. Good. Fine. And here I think there are no typos. Okay. Now, since we have defined a class, we have created a class, we have defined its functionality. Now, we'll create an object of the class, right? How we are going to create an object? It's simple. Let's say new calculate equals to the name of the class. Let's give it argument. Let's say 5, 6. So as soon as an object is created, so here new calculate is an object. Okay. So how you identify in a program, how you identify this is an object. So if you see over here, this calculate is a class, right? And this class is being passed to this variable over here. So as soon as you notice that some class is passed to a variable as a value, you can understand it's an object, right? Good. So as soon as an object is created in a class, we say class is indentated, right? Fine. Now let's say print. We are gonna print a plus b colon. Now the value will be decimal integer, that is, and the percentage new calculate dot add in closing bracket. Similarly for print a star b colon percentage d calculate dot mul. It's multiply, I think. Right. So I think there are no typos. Fine. Let's execute it. So let's say Python class test dot. Oh, we have an error. Oh, we have a typo, I think. That's not a big deal. Alright, here we have the result 5 plus 6 is 11 and 5 multiplied with 6 is 30. So I think you have an overview of class and object. Hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, please don't forget to give a like as well as subscribe to my channel if you want to follow up for new videos. Alright, so thank you very much guys. See you in the next video.